Hello guys, welcome back to the Chair Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Valorant. Your game requires a system restart to play, and please restart your computer Windows 10 or 7 to fix the issue up. So this error, how we can fix? This is the questions and we have solution. So first thing what you have to do is, when you're having these kind of issues, you just have to do a normal restart. You have to do a restart over here, and you have to see whether you are able to open the game after that. If it's not working, then we have a solution. So the first solution is, you just have to go to task manager over here. You just have to go to taskbar and go to task manager. Now from here, as you can see that we have Riot Client UX 32-bit 4. So you just have to select this and you just have to go for end task. Once after giving the end task, just open your game and see whether the issue is solved or not. If it's not working, then you just have to follow the method. That is, you just have to press Windows and R key all together. Then you have to type services.msc. Okay. Now you just have to open this. Now from here you just have to scroll down and you have VGC. You have to navigate to VGC and you just have to double click. Now the startup type is manual. You have to change this to automatic and go for start. Then apply and go for OK. This is what you have to do. Then you have to try to open the game and see whether the issue is solved or not. And if it's not working, then we have third step, which is followed by this. You just have to go to task bar once again and go to task manager. Now from here you just have to navigate to startup and you just have to scroll down a little bit, and here the Vanguard tray notification is enabled. In some cases this will be disabled. So if it is enabled, just disable it and re-enable it back once again. Or if it is disabled, you just have to enable it. Then you just have to close this. Then try to open the game, and most probably the issue has to be fixed. So these are 3 basic steps that you have to try out when you're having this issue. And if you have any doubts regarding this or any errors while trying this out, you just let us know in the comment sections. So we will be looking onto it and helping you out. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. And this is Shahin officially signing off from Good Tips. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.